Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to install the DanceDanceRevolution's dancing stage plus characters for Project Outfox and also the DDR characters ultimate project. This will go and show you how to go and get everything working for Project Outfox. This only works with Project Outfox and it's a certain version. If you go and use any version besides this one that we go and we list here, you might run into issues. This does not work with ITM Mania or Step Mania. And it's because you'll go and end up getting graphical errors. Sometimes things will even break. Also, if you guys like this tutorial, please make sure to give a like, follow, and subscribe. And also check out my other social media platforms as well as the other videos where on my YouTube I go and show new characters that I'm currently working on and dance stages. So you're going to want to head over to projectoutfox.com. From here, you're going to go and download Project Outfox 0.4.19 LTS. This is the version that we have when and everything has been tested on. It's the one that works the best. Please do not go and download the latest dev version because it has not been tested and things might break. If you guys want, you guys will be using it at your own discretion. You're going to click download. You're going to scroll down and you're going to go and pick which version of Windows you guys have. I have Windows 64-bit, so you're going to click that one. It's going to go and download. You're going to go and you're going to install it. That way you guys can see. Here's what you guys will see when it's done. You're going to go and hit finish. Do not launch it yet. We're going to go and do that step later. You're going to need to download these files. I'm going to go and put links in the description as well. That way you guys can find all these websites really easily. The next page that we're going to go to is NCSO's GitHub page. Here you're going to go and head over to code. You're going to go and click download zip. And that should go and download all these files. Next, once you've done that, you're going to go and head over to Superphase, here where it says releases. You're going to go and you're going to download these two files, Superphase 1.1 and DDR Dance Stages plus Characters patch. And once you download these two and you have the other main one downloaded, you're going to head over to go and get your themes as well. Next, you're going to head over to the Midflight digital GitHub. Here you're going to download XX-Starlight 2.0. The one that you want to download is this one here. You don't need to worry about the hotfix because that's already done. You're also welcome to head over to Curylang's to go and get his DDR A3 theme. Here you're going to go and head over and then click this, download the zip. These are the two themes that support DanceDanceRevolution characters and stages. If you go and try to use any other themes or just a default theme that Outfox comes with or any other Step Mania, all that good stuff, it will not work, and it's because they're not programmed in to go and work with them. Now that we have our Project Outfox installed, set up these files in a certain order, that way they work. If you go and set them up out of order, you might get errors, so please make sure to go and follow these exact setup to go and make sure that you guys go and have it running effectively and smoothly. You're going to go and grab the NCSO 0220 DDR zip. You're going to unzip that. And open it with whichever zipper that is your favorite. Go and highlight, drag and drop to the root of the Project Outfox folder. Gonna go and load everything in. If it asks you to replace anything, make sure to go and hit replace. To go and show you what files we've done so far, I'm gonna go and move the zips that we've done over to the done folder. Next, you need to go and head over to the Superphase zip. Now this step is important. Before you go and drag and drop these, you need to go and head over to characters. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. The non and the dance repo, you're going to go and delete. You can delete them either separately or together like I did holding control. So now with those files gone, you can just go and drag and drop. Same as last time, if it asks you to replace anything, hit replace. And now that we're done with Superphase, we're going to go and move that to done. Next, we need to set up our themes. You're going to go and head over to Starlight. Open. And then from here, there's a folder titled Themes. You're going to go and drag and drop. And then you're going to go and close this out. And we're done with the theme. Next, you're going to go into the DDR Dance Stages plus Characters patch. You're going to go and double click on the Starlight 2.0. You're going to highlight all this and you're going to drag and drop into your Starlight 2.0. folder. If it asks you to replace anything like last time, which it should ask you to replace, you're going to go and click yes. Now we're done with that. That theme is patched. This one is already pre-patched. So what you're going to do is you're going to go create a new folder and title it DDR A3. Grab this, drag and drop. Now with that done, you're going to go and head back to your main root of your Project Outfox folder. Move this over to the done. That way you know that we're done with the theme part. Next, we're going to be doing the DDR character ultimate packs. And one thing I did forget about this is there was something that we need to go and do real quick. You're going to go and you can just extract it here to this folder. You can just hit extract to wherever you have it, but don't put it on the root of the Outfox yet. Once that has finished extracting, you're going to go and close out this. We're going to move this to away from the done. What you're going to do is there's going to be 3 folders here. Themes. You're going to go and click into here and you should see the folder scripts. Now the reason why this is important is because some of the dance stages that we created goes and uses different titles. If you don't go and change this folder, they will not appear. You won't be able to select them. So you're going to head over to your Starlight. You're going to grab scripts and just drag it. You can just move it because you're going to move all the stuff. So replace, yes, perfect. So now that that's done, and delete this if you want. It's up to you. You can leave it there forever if it wants to stay in the infinite void. The other thing I forgot to do before I made this was CISO went and released his Supernova stages. But before that, I went and I released 3 that I made. If you want to keep these, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. But if you want to, you can always just change globe to Sonic 5. I totally forgot to do this. If not, they will replace the other ones and they might give you issues. So I don't want you guys to have issues. You can either rename them or delete them, up to you guys. There's that. You can name them to like Glow 1 version 2 or whatever it is. So now that we have that renamed, we should be good. We're gonna go and grab this and we're gonna go right to our root of our Outfox. You're going to drag and drop. Whatever it tells you to replace, you're going to go and replace. Next, we're going to go back here, go and delete this. And then with our Outfox folder, we're going to go and set it up now. You're going to go and head over into Program. Go and click Outfox. Wait for it to load. From here, you can go and pick which version of the game you want. You want to click Dance. You can are also free to pick whichever one you want. But then Outfox will start. You're going to go and head over to Options. From here, you need to change a couple of settings. You need to go to Experimental Settings. Switch it from Open GL to GLAD. Then afterwards, you're going to go to User Experience. Background Options. Switch it to 100. Then you're going to go over to Appearance. And switch it over to your theme. Once the theme changes, you're able to go and notice right away that everything has changed. You're gonna go and you can start the game now. You would enter a username every time. If you don't want to go and do this step, what you need to do is head back over to Options. And then go over to Profiles. Make a new profile, whatever you want to name it. So you would name it, for instance. And then from there, you don't have to create a new profile every time. You can create multiple profiles to go and have. And then you go and you select Enter. If everything is done correctly, you should see these options. So then you go over to here. You should see characters plus dance stages as an option. From here, you're able to go and pick what character you want and then also what dance stage you want. If you did everything as well, you should see the custom stages as well. So we're going to go and pick a stage. And that way I can show you guys that everything is working the way it should. I'm gonna switch all these to Dancer Mates. Lets you go and add backup dancers as many as you want. Please note that the more you add, the more your computer needs to process. So if your computer isn't as powerful, try to stick to maybe 4 at the max. Then afterwards, we're going to give it a shot. If everything works correctly, then it should just load. And there we go. Our characters are there. Custom and all. If this tutorial helped you guys out, please make sure to give a like, follow, and subscribe. And also check out the DDR Ultimate Characters Discord. And also check out the YouTube channel as well. That way you guys can go and see everything that is updated. New characters, new stages. And also new information that is coming out toward the project. All the links will be on the description and will be available to go and be seen. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have fun.